This is really the perfect storm because Amazon has created this system so you don't need warehouses anymore. And at the same time, technology allows us to get in contact with manufacturers all over the world without even getting up from your desk. Google, yeah, you don't even have to get it. You can do it right on your phone. Google, Alibaba, or a procurement service. Those are the three things that I would recommend you start with for finding your manufacturer. So if you want to use Google, you type in things like swim goggle private label, or CoQ10 supplier, or puppy pads wholesale. These three types of search terms, blank private label, blank supplier, blank wholesale, and you would be amazed at what's available to you on the other side of that Google search. Or you can go to Alibaba.com, which is a search engine specifically for finding manufacturers. Just like Google's specifically a search engine for finding information, Alibaba's like that, but for manufacturers. And you can plug in whatever products you're looking for right in there and hit search. And then you can fire off emails to anybody you want to. This is all free of charge. Fire off emails to anybody you want to inquiring about what their minimum order quantities are and what their lead time is and what their unit price is. You can use a procurement service, like we've created one for our clients. Whatever the case may be, though, there's nothing stopping you other than, fear maybe, from going out there and starting this process and getting this ball rolling for finding these manufacturers now, or some sort of branding to private label it. So what do? Some manufacturers will do this for you free of charge simply because they want your order. They want you to order product from them. Otherwise, you can go to sites like Fiverr.com and you could pay anywhere between $5 to $250 for your label and your logo and your design. Upwork takes less time, but is a little bit more expensive, $200 to $500. Most of our clients do 99 designs. And 99 designs is like a crowdsourced way of getting your design done for you. You basically submit a contest where the winner of the design you're going to pay money to, and 10, 20, 30 people will submit their designs, and you just pick the one you like the most. Simple, right? Whatever the case may be, branding and logo and design are things you do have to kind of understand, but the process is easy to follow.